Hey, it's Jack Miller here from Jack Digital Ventures, and welcome to my Marvin Leonard, the Wholesale Underground 2.0 review. On today's agenda, we're going to cover: is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying? And are there better alternatives? Make sure you stay till the end so you can have all the info you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I do also have a special free gift for you. But before we begin, you must be wondering who I am and why you should be listening to me. So my name is Jack Miller, and I've been making money online and working from home for the past 6 years. My story begins about 7 years back when I was hit with some nasty health complications, which left me with a ton of medical bills. And this was on top of having a 9-to-5 call center job I absolutely hated. My life was just a complete living nightmare with no hope of escape. I just couldn't take it anymore, and I knew I had to do something. So I hopped on the internet to find a way to make money online and turn my life around. In my struggles, I bought a bunch of different programs and courses, and some of them worked, but most of them did not. But luckily enough for me, I was eventually able to pay off all my medical bills, and I was even able to leave my 9-to-5 job for a period of time. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. And before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. I haven't personally bought this program, so this review is based on public info, other user reviews, and my own analysis. These are just my opinions, and some links below are affiliate links, which means I earn a commission if you buy through them, at no extra cost to you. As always, you should make sure to do your own research. Alright, now with that out of the way, let's get started. So what is this program? The Wholesale Underground is an Amazon selling training program that teaches you how to resell branded products for profit. The strategy starts with retail and online arbitrage, then moves into wholesale as you gain experience. The goal is to build an Amazon business by sourcing products people are already searching for and buying. And who is the creator? The program was created by Marvin Leonard, an Amazon seller with experience in wholesale and arbitrage. He positions himself as a mentor who helps beginners learn the Amazon selling process step by step. Marvin is also involved in coaching and guiding students throughout the program. And how does the program work? The training begins by teaching you how to find profitable products using Amazon research tools. You learn how to analyze demand, competition, pricing, and profit margins before buying inventory. The program then shows you how to source products from retail stores and online suppliers. As you progress, the focus shifts toward wholesale, which means buying in bulk directly from suppliers. It also covers getting approved to sell certain brands and improving your chances of winning the buy box. And how much does this program cost? The Wholesale Underground offers multiple pricing options based on mentorship length. 3 months of mentorship costs around $997. 6 months costs about $1,500, while 12 months costs roughly $2,400. There's also a 35-day action-based refund policy, meaning you must show effort to qualify. So is it a scam? The Wholesale Underground is not a scam. It teaches legitimate Amazon selling methods. However, success is not guaranteed, and results depend heavily on execution and capital. Like any Amazon business, it starts with competition, fees, and platform risk. And now it's time to go over the good and the bad. Let's start off with the good. Number 1, the program provides structured training for beginners who want step-by-step guidance. Number 2, it covers both arbitrage and wholesale, allowing room to scale over time. Number 3, mentorship and community support can help shorten the learning curve. Alright, and now here's the bad. Number 1, profit margins can be thin once Amazon fees and competition are factored in. Number 2, mentorship is time limited and not included for life. Number 3, there are limited independent reviews outside of promotional materials. Alright, so what's the final verdict? So, the Wholesale Underground can be a good starting point for people interested in selling on Amazon. It's best suited for beginners who want structure and are willing to invest in inventory. That said, Amazon selling is not passive and requires ongoing work and capital. If you understand the risks and put in the effort, the program can help you get started, but it's not a guaranteed shortcut to success. Okay, so that's all well and good, but what if you're not interested in this program? Is there a faster, easier, and more effective alternative? There sure is. And how can you find out more about this alternative? By checking out my free gift in the pinned comment below. It's a free online training about my personal favorite strategy to make money online. The same strategy that helped me pay off my medical bills and escape from my 9-to-5 job for a period of time. Again, check out the pinned comment below to get started with my free training. But that's all from me today. Thanks for watching my video. You take care and have a great day.